Around 6 o'clock, when man not come out, they don't pass orders, may they shoot the person. So for 6 o'clock, may nobody leave the village. We start pack. Suddenly, in no village at 6 o'clock again. 2 o'clock, the same will leave the village. In no village at 2 o'clock, they start pursue people, start beat people, start enter the break things. They seize our machines, the seize machine, engine saw, they bring pack things, they go leaving one man outside, seize money. The surrender, I take money, editor, name like John. Suddenly, we see again, things change, we start to run. No, we leave all our things. They begin to break houses. They break my own store. They break another people's store, seize machines, seize everything, take and carry and begin go. That's why they break all things. All women begin on. I don't leave my son picking them. Are they scattered? They are scattered. I don't sleep from my picking them. I don't know where they are now. Now, how we don't go to that village. We don't go to that village. They can't just say they will still come there. They said they will still come there. They were shooting overside. They said they will still come there. And when they come there, they kill everybody. Now, not so take wrong. We leave all our things. They begin break houses, beat people.
So, which one? When this one happened? 3 days ago.
Not 3 days ago. Just recently.
That's Saturday.
On Saturday, yeah. Meanwhile, the former one we don't pass. Yeah. This one, the same will leave village. They begin shooting. Start shooting.
Can a woman stop?
Okay.
Well, any woman, so woman then.
Then the woman can talk.
Okay, my name's Okay, my name is Abangago. Okay, my name is Abangago. Mike from Sanakam. We come here on Friday. Luckily, I've been vice chairman for the traditional council. I go burial for Imojok. Now Dio, divisional officer for Imojok, he called me in person, he hand over a document. The document there with my chief. They stipulate say they give us 1 hour. 1 hour, we carry the letter, go deliver for our village. May any man pack or anything we see, the law go hold am responsible. I open the letter, I read quite well. I come for village, I call chief, I call the military men at show. I say, see what thing they give with the park. Before then, before our reach village, there was a lot of looting. They begin break houses, they carry wine for people, they research our people their houses. So that document help we, they leave us, we come down free. That is why I see most of our population here will come down because of fear of intimidation. I will come. Now the short one will get so.
Yeah, the documents.
Yeah, the document that will match, but I believe most of the people get them.
Any document there.
Anybody, anyone.
Please bring them. Bring them. We need that document. Get the chief. We need that document. Go and get it. Yes. Very necessary.
Go and get it.
Very, very necessary.
Go and get it.
Nina from Sararati. So my friend will be there for Nigeria, go burial. I leave my picking them for house. I won't reach there. They call me for phone. They say, "Oh man, don't run." Now my children, they don't run enter inside house. They lock themselves. As I come now, because of that take of the sake of my children, everybody don't run. They say they don't give us 24 hours. Maybe we leave that village. So as I come now, everybody don't run across this side. As I take that feelings of picking, pains of my children, I go by force. As I reach the whole place that's also army. They say, maybe I don't enter. I say, I must. They say, maybe I don't enter. 5 army follow me to my room. Some, 1, hold me as I go there. As I call my children, as they hear my voice, they fear. I say, now me, una open house. Now me, una open house. I say, open house. The other army don't hold me. Begin to me for breast. The other 2, they don't hold me. I say, una leave me. I don't enter my husband's house. The other one don't hold me well. They press me for breast. They press me. As they counting my children inside bed, under bed, they come out. He don't leave me now with gun. So they threaten us. That fear do me. I don't carry anything. Only that my children are succeed come. As I come here, I won't die hungry with them. With 4 pikin.
And then Stella from Abokan German. So as me and no be for village, I be go right for forest, about 10 miles away from the village, they for forest, go block salad. As I want to know, say that thing don't happen. As I want I want boss for can jam na 1 mile, they tell you see wetin don't happen. No kada, nothing, no don't even carry me. 10 miles for Waka Ridge village, as we walk as we carry village. No man I no see. Immediately as I no see no man, I can see my step away. No feel work, I begin cry. I said, oh, now how we do before we reach? So as I just immediately, they will call for phone. They tell me say, I'm daddy come 2 truck. Maybe now go quick. As I just reach that pass, I come for my power. One come, none of my picking I no see. Me for carry clothes, nothing. I can't reach for Sheraga. I send my daughter back. I said, may go peep, may look what I go fit try carry even our things. As my daughter come back. So I give him money, say if he get chance for send some man where can carry some goods, they may he give the man money, he gonna person where will no make try buy we rice. I will carry and run come Nigeria. They go hold it, that my daughter with my son. They hold my daughter. They beat him. He said they hold the clothes, one they carry and they drum, they go for bush. They take clothes, said that the press and press, they the hold him for a last. They the press and money will give 25,000 francs with 6,000 naira. They take him, even my small son. They take it 3,500 naira. That's what they run come as I come as I stand. Not I get 8 children, no team, no clothes and no tickets. Now as I come here, I can see some of my picking there with my auntie. So now all the way I know.
Which time you have?
Now which day?
For the time that thing happen, no, they will come on Friday. Well, Friday where that army they come. Friday.
My name is Evelyn Ojua from Abonan. As the thing happened from German, all German people they run, they meet up with Abonan. They say, I saw me, they don't enter Abonan. They don't enter German. They defy 5 people, they keep people to come out. Then now they run, they meet up with. Some people they run now, they go bush. They say, as they don't come, so it will be easy even for Abonan people. Many people they be run the bush. Every me I be run at the bush. Some are picking and they remain scatter. It won't be 2 days after. It can't happen again, say even for bush, men not stay. They drive everybody even for bush. We will the bush, some will run, picking they remain. The other one of my picking will be remain up. That yesterday we one come. The naked they picking here from sun. They don't move it all close. The naked woman picking, the naked man picking, they move it all plus pound for skin. They remain like this. They tell the woman, say, maybe you rub the boys them hand for skin. The woman now is standing, they rub the hand for skin. When you turn man picking, the pig, he wake up, they beat down the man picking. How man picking, they go stand for woman, the face naked. Then you touch it where the pig not they wake up. So that's what happened. They don't be beat my picking. Yesterday, the picking and come tell me for here. I go buy water, I press 16. Every night the picking there, not feel work I said. For the can't beat him where they beat him.
Where they begin there?
He there, yeah. I don't see and there.
Let the picking come. Let them bring it. I will carry the picking and carry
The girl will not be my own, a different man.
Yeah, tell me what happened.
My name is Isaac. I run, don't come out of the camp. Police for Germany, I want pass the good. I'm in the star shoot. So we tumble, go back, we go wait for update. But now for 12 o'clock, we can't lose the boat, we flow the camp. We don't pass almost all the beach up. I'm in the star shoot. We sleep for water inside boat. The shoe so they both goes small, so they will pass. We don't come out, we can't reach for inside. I will reach for inside, we want pass the shoot. We go back, we go land. They carry the big so the move are close and for screen off. They throw my water for screen, they use colors and knocker. Then we can they just say move our clothes and sleep, we move our clothes sleep. Other can the doctor show were free. After the car were back close and the tray and for water or outside the sun. Him and clothes are wearing so also. Now my big brother give me so I wear. I enter here yesterday for night.
The guest coming.
Stop and take a new one.